Hello, math friends. This is Mr. Chu, and I'm going to do some SAT video prep problems here shortly. And this will be video 1 in Module 5. You can see the date here back behind me, and I'll be doing an update later on a little short about my Bear Algebra and the YouTube channel and TikTok in general. So that will be my next project after I get this one done. So let's get started with video 1, problems 1, 2, 3 of module 5. Okay, so I have been doing video prep problems for the last couple months. And at this time on my YouTube channel, in my playlist, you can access module 1, module 2, module 3, and module 4. And all of them have 27 problems in them. Now, in those playlists, there are videos that have 2 to 4 problems on each so that you can just quickly review before you take the test. The practice problems have been released by the College Board to review for this important test, and hopefully they will help you figure out what you need to study to do better on the test. Some of the problems are going to be really easy and some will be hard. They include topics of algebra, geometry, and other high school math topics that you take before taking the SAT. They vary, the topics vary from question to question, and we list them in order, not by topic. Make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, stop right now and do it. Find the subscribe button. Click on it. It helps me push this out to more people. You can also find me on social media on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and X. I have lots of puppy videos. Today I even posted a little 10-second video of my 4-year-old Tomcat. I accidentally said he was 3, but you'll see Black Tomcat. Go check that out. And then I've got lots of math help videos. So go and follow me on social media and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Speaking of subscribing to my YouTube channel, here's the long link. And there are various places. If you're watching on a computer or another type of device that allows you to tap on it and click on it, there could be subscribing links here. If you are watching on your phone, it could be underneath it, but just click on it and subscribe, and I would appreciate it. I also have an email address if you need to contact me, request a topic. Um, Ask me a question, askmrchu@gmail.com is that address. Now let's get started with our 3 problems from today. Make sure you pause the video, work these out on a piece of paper, and then you can check and see if you did them right after you start it up. So here is an XY grid, and we have 2 equations graphed. One's a linear equation, it's the straight line, and the other one is nonlinear. It says the graph of a system of a linear equation and a nonlinear equation is shown. What's the solution written as an xy point to this system? So, if you remember back in your algebra class when you were solving systems of equations, the solution to a system of equations is the point of intersection of the graphs and the 2 equations in this case. It'd be more than 2, but in this case there's just 2 equations. So look where the graph intersects. It intersects right here. So this point would be the point 4, 5. And it's written as parenthesis 4, comma 5, and that is written as an X and a Y. So that is the solution. It's choice C. And hopefully you were able to get that answer for C. And it's real obvious that right here is where it intersects. All right, now we'll go to number 2. On the first day of a semester, a film club has 90 members. Each day after the first day of the semester, 10 new members join the film club. If no members leave the film club, how many total members will be in the film club 4 days after the first day of the semester? So they could ask you to write an equation, but it's not asking you to write an equation. It's asking you for the total number. So we're given that the film club on day one starts with 90 members. And then 10 new members each day. Those are the two givens. And they're asking for you to write an equation. And I can do that by putting the starting members plus 4 times the number of days. And then that's going to give me my total number that we'll go and we'll find over here to the left. So after 4 days, 90 plus 4 times 10 equals 90 plus 40, which is 130, which is choice B. Hopefully you're able to get that one correctly as well. All right, let's go on to number 3. Number 3 has another graph on a coordinate plane. It says the graph of the linear function, because that is a straight line, is shown where y equals f of x. That's the way you would write the equation of that function. Y equals whatever that is. What's the y-intercept of the graph of f? So what you have to do here is you have to analyze and think about what all this means and what you were taught in your algebra class. The y-intercept of the graph is the point at which the graph intersects the y-axis. Remember, the y-axis is this vertical. The x-axis is the horizontal. So if you look, it intersects right here. So what is that point? It's the point 0, 8, which is choice D. Hopefully you were able to get that one correctly too. The 3 of these problems were just review of algebra topics from Algebra 1. So make sure you check out the links of the SAT review videos. They're in the playlist for module 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we're starting number 5. I do have my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Please do that now. Send me any questions to askmrchew@gmail.com. Help me spread the word. Mr. Chew will help students. If you got any math questions, I want to help you. I've got SAT prep videos, and that's what these are. And I have 4 modules done, working on module 5 now. I have something I call Math Minutes with Mr. Chew, where I take a topic and talk about it. And then I also have what's called Math Minis. The Math Minis kind of sometimes will correspond with different Math Minutes I've had. I also have all kinds of videos that will help a student with algebra. And the one that helps you with algebra is called Bare Algebra. And there's lots of videos. And there's Brack Geometry. Bare Algebra is named after my 13-year-old gray peekapoo. And then my 3-year-old half Italian sheepdog Brack, he's 120 pounds. That's who I named my geometry videos after. I also have trig arithmetic and pre-algebra videos after my 4-year-old black tomcat. And I have something new that I'm introducing now that is called my Bare Algebra Curriculum. And this is what I'm using for the symbol of this. It's something I'm creating for homeschool students to use. Make sure that you subscribe and follow me on social media. And remember, and I want to help you understand math. So I'll see you in my next video.